Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Sonic. Stock number is A7246. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer. Certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this cruise on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.